Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Following that, install this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. After opening it, you can mute the music right away by hitting the bottom left corner. Now to access settings of this wallpaper, click on Gear at the top left corner. Select I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you feel like it. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. Now just click on Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Apply, and click on Home button. As you can see, after that, Magic Fluids was applied successfully on our device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!